Hi. Today is Monday. What did I do on the weekend? Um, on Saturday, I went to crochet classes. Yeah, I finally joined crochet classes. I finally made up my mind because I'm getting my energy back. So I made up my mind. I went for crochet classes. I finally joined it. There are like four classes, 3 hours each, and you can finish it in the course of 3 months. So they've given me 3 months time to finish the rest of the three classes. So I'm just like gonna take my time because it's like a bit far to travel, and I get really exhausted by the time I go and come back. I have to like invest in a whole day for it. I get like really tired. The whole process makes me tired. So I have decided I'll just take it a bit slow because they've given me 3 months time. So in the first class I learned four stitches, and I kind of made this. I learned to make this. It's supposed to be a square, but it turned out to be V. But it's okay. I'm gonna practice and practice till I attend the second class, and probably I'll like learn little bit and like practice and stuff. Yeah, so that's the plan. For till I attend the second class, I'm just gonna like practice and make bookmarks or something because I just know how to make a bookmark. That's all I have learned. And I ordered like needles. Uh, yeah, so I ordered needles. So these are the crochet needles. I ordered it. It's really nice. So the I ordered like anchor threads as well, like crochet thread. It's not come yet. It will take some time to arrive. So once it comes, I'll be able to like practice. I have like a thread which they gave me. They gave me a needle and a thread in the class, so I can practice in that as well. And I wanted like different colors. So they gave me this color, so I want like different colors, so I ordered it from like I ordered anchor threads. So it's gonna come on 28th, I guess. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for that. um yeah, so that's what happened on Saturday. And Sunday I took up therapy, and then I was just doing nothing. today today I went to the dentist, and then I went to Anand Bhavan. I had my breakfast, and then I had my avocado toast from California Burrito because I love avocado toast. I was so happy to eat avocado toast and idli from Anand Bhavan. And then I just came back home, and then I had watermelon, and now I'm eating grapes. Yeah, so I'm just like eating grapes and reading on my Kindle. Um, and I'm going to like practice my crochet. So that's what I'm going to do today. Yeah, so I'm like really happy these days that things are slowly getting back to normal, and my throat is kind of like fixed. I'm able to eat cold things now, and I'm so happy. Like, I'm so fucking happy that I can eat cold things. I had watermelon, I'm eating grapes. Can you believe it? I'm eating grapes after like so long. I'm eating grapes and watermelon and everything. Like, I'm like so happy that my throat is like slowly getting back to normal. I never showed you my tattoos, right? Like, which I did here. Like, I got a like a bee here. Like, can you see the bee? Yeah, I got a bee here, and I don't think I showed you this tattoo. I got it done like 2 years ago. It's here. I don't know if you can see it. It's here. It's beautifully flawed. Yeah, so I think I never showed you these tattoos, right? Like, yeah, B because Magnolia Parks, and Magnolia Parks is like my favorite book series now. So yeah, one of my favorite book series. So yeah, I got the B, and I'm like really attached to it. So yeah. Yeah, so and also I told you I'm gonna buy linen pants, right? So I finally bought the linen pant. I bought it in light gray color. So this is the pant from H&M. Linen pant, like it's like how do I even show it to you? Like, it has like wide leg. So this is the leg, wide leg, and everywhere it is like wide, and it's like super loose, and it's linen material, and it's like perfect for this summer. Perfect for the summer. So these days I'm just like wearing shorts. I don't like wear pant anymore, jeans anymore. I just wear like these kind of pants and shorts and dresses. That's it. Like it's like so fucking hot. I don't feel like wearing jeans, and if I wear jeans I'll probably die. It's like so hot. Like I don't know, like jeans is making me so hot, and it's making me sweat so much. So I can only wear shorts these days and dresses, and I decided I'm just gonna wear these kind of pants, like linen pants. This material I just googled it, and this material has very less heat absorbent. Yeah, it doesn't absorb heat, so it's like very light and it's very comfortable. I wore it and saw it's very comfortable. And yeah, so I finally bought this and I'm like so happy. Yeah, so that's what happened. That's what been happening. Yeah, I'm just like in a good mood these days, and I'm like happy about it. Yeah, and I really like summer because summer is the season for mangoes, jackfruit, and all these watermelon. I love them, and I love eating grapes as well. I love these grapes. I'm so happy. Yeah, so I'm just happy these days. Yeah, so I'll probably read now. I'm reading Yours Truly by Abby Jimenez, and you know what? Like this main character Jacob is exactly like me. Like he writes a letter uh, to the like female protagonist. It's like in double point of view, from Jacob's point of view and Brianna. I think her name is Brianna. I don't remember. Her point of view. So Jacob writes a letter to her, and the letter that he wrote is exactly a letter that I would write. Like whatever I feel, whatever I go through, it's like he formulated it and wrote it in a letter, and I'm like, I felt like I'm reading a letter which I wrote. Yeah, like I was like, fuck. Yeah, that was like, yeah, that was nice. So I'm really liking it. He has anxiety and social anxiety and all that. Like I was like, oh my god, like whatever he's saying to her in the letter, I'm like, I relate like so much. Yeah, it's like going good. I love reading it. It's good. Yeah. So that happened. And then what happened? Tortured Poets Department released on Friday. Um, so it came out on Friday, and I was listening to it the whole day and crying. I cried so much. I really liked it. My favorite song of that album so far, the only song that I've been like listening to on repeat is Love of My Life. I don't know if it's Love of My Life or Loss of My Life, LOML. Yeah, I think it's Love of My Life. I don't know. But she says Loss of My Life in the end, right? So I'm just like not sure. But that's a song that I've been like listening to on repeat again and again and again and again. And I also like But Daddy, I love him. I love that. And I like what else do I like? I think that's it that I like. So High School is also really good. I Hate It Here. That is also really good. That's like a book girlies song. I really like that. I think so far these are the only songs that I like. I like Down Bad also. That's also really good. Fuck it if I can't have him. That is like really nice. Yeah, these are the songs that and I like that angry song. What is it? You don't get to tell me about sad. Um, What is the name of the song? I'm not getting the name of the song. You should be terrified of me, or you should be afraid of me. Like, I don't know what it's called. Like, but it's really nice. I like that song also. You don't get to tell me about sad. Yeah, that's really nice. That song is also really nice. That's like so relatable. Yeah, scary, but that was really relatable, and it was really nice. And after listening to that song, I kind of formulated a fan fiction in my head. I'm just waiting to drop it. Like, yeah. So I kind of had this imagery of a fan fiction forming as soon as I listened to that song. What is the name of the song? Just give me a minute. It's called Who's Afraid of Little Old Me. As soon as I listened to that song, it's like a fan fiction formed in my head. Like, immediately I got this like imaginary fiction. Yeah, I want to write it. I'll probably write it after 1 month or something. I'm just like formulating it and trying to come up with a, yeah. So I'll let you know. Yeah. So that's what happened. I really love of my life. I think that's my favorite song in the whole album. I don't know, I just love that song so much. I know it's like the saddest song in the album, and usually I like the sad songs in the album. And these days I'm like listening to Majori. I think it's Majori, right? From Evermore. Yeah. So Majori. I think it's that. I've been listening to that song again and again and again and again. What died and stay dead. Would I don't know. I just like that line so much. I've been like listening to it again and again and again and again. I've been listening to it since I saw the Erastor movie on Disney Plus. I've been like listening to it on repeat, and even today, like till today, I've been like listening to it again and again and again. I just love that song so much, and also "Love of My Life." I love that song so much. I usually like sad songs, and I'm kind of like that. So yeah, I really like "Love of My Life." I know it's like really sad, but I really like it. And the first few times I listened to it, I was kind of like a wreck. I started crying so much after I listened to it. But now I'm okay. I'm not crying, but I really like it. Yeah. And what else is happening? I think that's it. So probably I'll read and crochet now. Practice my crochet. So that's what I'm gonna do. Hi, baby.